So today I'm going to show you guys how to use a green screen to throw yourself into all kinds of different backgrounds. And anybody can do this because I have like the least professional setup ever. You don't need anything really fancy. You don't need fancy lights. I just use table lamps, and this thing is just a piece of green fabric. So anybody can do this. It's super easy. So you can put any pictures you want behind you. You can put in video behind you. You can just put like a different colored wall behind you. It's a really handy tool to use. So you'll be needing an unobscured wall or even a hallway will work. And mine's not very big. It's just a 6 or 7 foot wall next to my kitchen. And for the green screen, all you need is a piece of bright neon green fabric. This is just a piece of fleece I got from JoAnn's. And I just pin it to the tapestry on my wall. You can also use tacks if you don't have a tapestry to pin it to. Just tack it to your wall so it stays in place. And you want to try to get it as smooth as possible so there's no shadows, otherwise they will show up in your video. And lighting, this is my lighting solution. It's just a few chairs with some table lamps. Over here I got a little shop light on my pullout, and those shine against the green fabric to light it up. And then in front of the screen I also have a real fancy setup here of some pans on top of a chair holding a third table lamp, and that is what lights me up because you need a light to light yourself up. So that one will shine against me, and then the other two shine against the green screen to light that up. And you want to stand in front of the two lights that are lighting up the green screen so that you don't blend in, so that the third one can light you up. Because if you stand too close, then any shadows you make will show up on the screen as well. So if you stand out in front of the other two lights, then you can wave your arms all day and there's no shadows. So always stand in front, unless of course you want the shadows, and then, it can look kind of cool too if you really want those shadows. But you gotta be careful, you don't want to wear green, otherwise you'll disappear. So another fun thing you can do is wrap yourself in the green screen to use it as an invisibility cloak, and you'll need 2 layers of video for that. You'll need a shot of the plain wall, and you'll put that underneath a shot of you with the green screen wrapped around you, and then you just make the screen disappear, of course, making you disappear with it. And a really fun thing to do is hang it in a doorway, and then when you take out the green screen, you get to open a door into a magical little world. Wow. So to actually make the green screen disappear, you will need video software. I use Filmora. You'll need one that can take out green screen. You can see I'm actually working on this video here. So the first thing you do is you put your background in first, in the first layer. So I'm just going to use this Woodland picture here. And when I drag across it, I can see my lovely little Woodland picture. And then you stick your green screen video, your video with the green screen, on top of that. So right click, apply to pip. And so that ends up in the second layer. And so then you just go over to the advanced edit to make the green screen disappear. Go to the effect, and it's defaulted to black, so what you want to do is just take a little dropper, pick the color you want to disappear, raise the how much you want it to disappear, then give it a test run and see if it looks the way you want it to. And then you've got your little green screen. So a lot of different things you can do with the green screen. Try it out and have some fun.